Welcome to today's video. Today, we will be integrating HubSpot with Google Ads, and we will start the tutorial right away. Let's jump into HubSpot. So, let's go over to Marketing, Ads, and get started with ads. Click on Google Ads, and then there will be this pop-up. You just head over to your Google Ads account, press continue, and then choose the correct ad account, press connect, go next. So we have now integrated HubSpot and Google Ads, and the next step is to import the Google Ads conversions based upon the HubSpot life cycle stages. So we will do one for lead, one for MQL, and one for SQL, and one for customer. So there are two ways of doing this, either inside of the HubSpot account or in your Google Ads account. In this tutorial, I will show you how to do it inside of HubSpot. So go over to marketing, then we will head over to ads, and then we will head over to events, and then we will press create event, and then we will choose the right ad account, press life cycle, make sure you choose lead here, submit lead form, and here you can decide whether or not you want to do a custom value. I will just set this to custom value equals $1, and then you press create, and here you might have to activate enhanced conversions here. So let's just head over here to Google. So just make sure that you save this. And then you should be able to go. Yep, there we go. So let's create one for the MQL. It's pretty straightforward. You choose market qualified leads, and then you want to choose qualified lead. And then you want to, this is up to you, but I will just go for $1. Set this as primary event. And let's do another one for the sales qualified lead. So I like to do converted lead. There we go. We could also do one now for customer. What I then like to do is that I like to do customer, and then I choose purchase. Then I will do the same here. There we go. So now we got 4 different Google Ads conversions based upon the different life cycle stages inside of HubSpot. So if we head over here to the Google Ads account, we can take a look here if all the conversions has synced. And let's see here. So here we see that under submit lead form, there is HubSpot lead, which is correct. Under qualified leads, there is market qualified leads, which is also correct. Same one for this, converted lead equals sales qualified lead, and also customer is under purchase. So that's also correct. Just a small tip here. What I like to do when you have data is that I like to sort these ones here. So I like to put submit lead forms at the top. Then I like to do qualified leads for group 2, and then for group 3 I have the SQLs. Then I do save, and then once you have a few conversions, you will have this nice graph here which will tell you the leads, the market qualified leads, and the sales qualified leads. So that's a great tip right there. So that will conclude the tutorial, and I hope you enjoyed the tutorial, and make sure you like and subscribe the video. Thank you. Bye.